Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll learn how to recreate this hotel and resort website with very minimal effort, step by step, and host it on your own domain hosting. This tutorial is focused for beginners so that anyone with zero experience in web technology can build the site step by step following this tutorial. So don't skip the videos as you might miss some important step as we move forward. This stunning website was created using WordPress and the latest technologies. It is mobile friendly, fast and easy to manage. So let's check the premium pages that this website currently have, and of course you can also add more pages on your own. I will go through how to set up and update the content of each pages in the later part of the video. This is our home page containing 7+ sections. You can remove a section that you don't like. Rooms overview. Rooms overview is the page where your all rooms will be listed, and user can click through each of them to get to know about those specific rooms. Here you can also add check-in, check-out time and other information in the rooms overview page. Single room. You can use this single page template to display more information about your each room, such as some pictures or amenities, activities. So in this page you can display all the activities offering for your guests, such as golf, water sport, and in this single page you can provide more information about each of those activities. Facilities. If your hotel or resort offers facilities like spa, wedding, honeymoon, then you can use this page to list those facilities. And to provide more information about those facilities, you can use this single template for additional information of your each facility. And this page can be used to show the overview of your restaurant and bars, and also this bottom block can be used to show the menu, food menu for the user. And this is the single restaurant page where you can display information like how many capacity you have, sitting capacity you have, what's the opening hour. Also you can add the menus here with the button about us page. So in this about us page you can use this page to share whatever information you like to share with your customer. These blocks are ready for you to represent the information in a better way. This is the contact page template. You can add more for field if you want so, and also customize this blocks. It's offer page. Here you can display all the current offers for your customers. And this page can be used to share news and update with your guest. If you want to have a frequency asked question page, then this template can be used for some commonly asked question and answers. This is the 404 page, which will be used if, let's say, someone visited an existing URL of your site. This ready website also have two header variation, this one with a logo in the middle and this one with logo in the left. I will show you how to set up your preferred one as we go along. And this is the global footer template, or the footer used globally in the site. I will show you how to connect this subscription forum with your email provider, probably Mailchimp, and I'll also show you how to connect this information as we go along editing the site. And if you want to see the live demo, visit this URL, or you can follow the video description, or you can also scan this QR code. Hi everyone, I am Ferdows. I am a WordPress expert for over 14 years of experience, and I built on a WordPress site. In this channel, I share my personal experience and knowledge to make you a WordPress expert from novice. So let's discover our today's topic. So now we know how the website gonna look like. Let's calculate how much it gonna cost us to build the site. Domain hosting. For the first year it will cost $40 with 83% discount. Premium website it will cost $35. Some plugins it will cost $0. So in total it will cost us $75 to build the site. Now, what is domain? A domain is the unique name of your website which people will use to access your website using browser like Google Chrome, just like how we visit facebook.com to use Facebook. What is hosting? Hosting is like storage of your website where all the website data is stored. So when people access your website with the domain name, those data stored in the hosting will be displayed on their browser. And what is the pre-made website? A pre-made website is a type of website that is ready in terms of functionality. All you need to do is plug your own content by replacing the existing one after importing it. And of course, you can add more pages and functionality using your expertise. What is plugins? Plugins are used to extend the functionality of your website. A real life similar example would earphone, which we use for better listening. But if you don't use it, not a big deal, but you may not get the benefit you are looking for. To set up domain hosting for our site, we will use Namecheap because they are in this industry for a long time and running their business with outstanding reputation. If you visit their Trustpilot profile, you can see they have 4.3 rating out of 5 and their customer is happy with their services. Now to buy their domain hosting and get 83% discount, go to your website, go to your browser address bar and type wp4novice.net/nc and hit enter. I will also put this link to the video description to buy the domain hosting. So once you follow this link, it will bring us to this landing page where you will get 83% discount. So hit the click get started button and it will bring us here to the step 1 where we are gonna choose our hosting plan. They are offering 3 plans. You can choose anyone you like for your website. On the Stellar plan, they are offering 20 GB SSD disk space to store your website files along with 3 website, which means you can host 2 more additional website on this plan. And the CDN means content delivery network, which means your website data will be served to the user from their nearest data center. That will boost your website speed, also increase your visitor experience. And they are offering this domain for 100% free with this plan. And as for the Stellar Plus and Business plan, their feature is quite same, but on Plus plan you are getting unmetered SSD for storage, which means there are no strict limit on bandwidth or storage uses within reasonable and acceptable use parameters, where Business plan the limit is 50 GB, and you can host unlimited website on this 2 plan. Also auto backup is available on both plan. The most interesting part is you will get huge discount on some top level domain such as .com with this 2 plan. My favorite is Stellar Plus, so I am gonna go ahead and select it. You can see their discount offer for each top level domain. You may choose some other top level domain name where they are offering 100% discount for first year along with .com domain. So I will now use this search button and search for my domain that is that will be used for the website. You can search your own domain name that could be related to your resort or hotel name. So the one I searched is available. If the search is not working for you, try adding more word or a different name. So I'll select this domain and hit connect to hosting button. Alright, So here is the summary of our hosting and domain. It gonna cost us $40.36 total, where we are saving $42.50. If all looks okay, then click add to cart button. It will take us to the cart page. Review the options, and if you want to enable or disable the auto renew feature, you can do so by using those toggle button. Point to be noted here, if you disable the auto renew and don't renew your domain hosting after 1 year, then you may lose your website once the plan is expired. So it is always best practice to keep it turned on. Now let's hit the confirm order button. Cool. Now it will bring us here. From here you can complete this form to create an account on Namecheap and then complete the purchase. So I will not go through from here. I hope you can do it yourself. See you in the next part of the video. Once you complete the purchase and log into your Namecheap dashboard, you will find options like this, and here it will list all the domain hosting that you have on your account. From here click on the domain list and hit the manage button of the domain that you just bought. From here select the name server to Namecheap web hosting. If it's already selected, that you can ignore this step. And from the left click on the hosting list. Here you will have all the hosting plan listed for on your account. Click on the go to Cpanel button. This will redirect you to the Cpanel of your hosting, from where we will install WordPress. From the Cpanel dashboard, search for Softculous app installer. Here this one, click on it. On the next page it will show some top CMS. You will find WordPress on the top, as we are gonna use it, so hit the install button. Now on the step, choose the domain name where you want to install WordPress. If you have only one domain in your account, then it will be auto selected, but since I have multiple domains, so I will manually pick the one. Keep other setting as it is, just uncheck this extendify option, we don't need it. Hit the advanced tab and on the auto upgrade option select do not auto upgrade. Also disable this auto upgrade on WordPress plugin and themes. And on the automated backup, we will select once a week, and backup rotation, sorry, once a probably week, yeah, and backup rotation like how many backups you want to keep for your site. I'll select 4. So, alright, now let's hit the install button to start the installation. Now click on the administrative URL and it will take you to WordPress dashboard or backend, from where you will be able to manage this site. And if you hover over the home icon option, you will be able to visit the front end. Congratulations, we have completed installing WordPress on your site. If you log out from WordPress dashboard, you can open Softculous app installer and hit the WordPress manager button. Then click on the login button and it will take you to WordPress dashboard. Now we will go to our browser address bar and type wp for nobis/bushai and hit enter. This will bring us to this page from where we need to buy the ready website. Hit the get this button and complete the payment. After successful payment, you will get a downloadable zip file with the confirmation email. Go to your email inbox and download the file. Once downloaded, it will show up like this in your download location. Select the file and right click on it and hit extract all option. If you are using Windows or in MacBook, double click on the zip file to extract it. After extracting, you will find these two files. We will now upload this zip file on our WordPress site. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and from there, plugins, add new, search for WP Vivid. This plugin will come up. We are gonna use this plugin to import the ready site we just bought. So let's hit the install button and then activate it. After activation, it will take you to this page, and now select the upload tab and select the zip file that you found after extracting the main zip file. So now we have to wait until the upload process is completed. The upload time depends on your internet speed. Our ready website original size is around 150 megabyte. So please continue watching this video after the upload process is done for the next step to set up the hotel or resort site. Alright, so the upload process is now completed. Once uploaded, it will show like this under the backup. Now hit the restore button. Hit the restore button again and it will start deploying our ready website. Now the deploying started and it will take around 1 minute. After the deploy is done, hit OK button and it will redirect you to the login page of WordPress. Open the folder in your computer where you extracted the ready website and open the readme file for the login credentials. Copy the username and paste it in the username field. Then copy the password and paste it in the password field and hit the login button. After successful login, it will bring you to here. It will show you if you want to update the admin email of the site, which is currently using my email. We will do it soon, so just hit remind me later link. Now we are in our WordPress dashboard or backend. The first thing you have to do now is to change your site login password. To do this, go to user profile from the left menu. Here you can change your admin email and click on the set new password button to set a new password. I will copy this password for my own and hit the update profile button once done. Now to change the site admin email, go to setting general and from there update this email address. As it say here, after saving the changes, it will send you a confirmation email to the email you're gonna add here, and you have to click on the link of that email to confirm. To get the confirmation email, hit save changes button and check your email inbox or spam folder. Now let's have a quick look on the site front end, how it's look like. Cool, our ready website is now successfully deployed. If you want to change the color and font used in this ready website, then you can go to the site setting from this drop down and it will open a panel like this. From here you can change the global color, like we use it gold and dark green for various places in the website, and if you change any color here, it will apply to all the elements in the website. You can also change the color on elements level, but to manage thing globally, you can change color from here. Like if I change the primary color, let's say to a red and hit the update button, Now if I refresh the page and see that that's all the color where the gold was used previously is now changed to red. So you can see, so that's how the dynamic color works, and it applied to all over the site wherever the golden color is used. So you can do the same for other colors. I am not going through all the colors for now. And as for the font, you can also do the same like the global font. Here you can change the font that used in this radio website from one place. So you can see there the preview of the font that we used in this radio website. There's a lot of different font. So if you edit any of those font or change any font from this drop down, it will apply all the elements where this font style is used. Now if you want to change the title and tagline that we see in our website in browser, or it will also display in the search result, go to your WordPress dashboard. From there, now we will go to the setting page, general, and from here you can change this site title and tagline to add your own site title and tagline, and make sure to hit the save changes button. Now let's edit the header template of our site. This is the header of our site, and this is the footer template of our site. Both of the section are global, which means any changes you make to this section will apply to all over the site. There is two way you can edit this template. For example, if you want to edit the header template, you can hover over the edit with Elementor link here, and from here you have the option to edit header centered. And another way is go to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Royal Add-ons and template builder, and here you can see we have two header template and one footer template. So both of this template is used on this site, and since we have a two header template, if I go to the headers page, here I can show you the two header variation. So this is our header centered and this is our header regular variation. So whatever you want to use, you can use it on the site. So by default we have header centered, and here you can find the header centered, it is enabled by default. So if you want to use the header regular one, then all you just need to do is hit the manage condition button, click the add condition, and then keep everything same as is and hit the save condition button. So this will automatically activate the header regular, but I will in this tutorial I show header centered because this is used by default. So I will now edit this header centered template. Since the header background is transparent, so you may find it hard to edit the elements inside it. We will use the navigator, which you can open by clicking on this icon if it's not showing for you. And if we expand the main section, you will find all the elements used in this header template. So let's apply the background color first from the style tab and give it a color so we can edit it easily. Once done, we will remove this temporary background color, and to edit each element you can click on the element. So this is our logo. If you don't have your logo designed yet, you can follow the link in the description to create a logo by yourself, or you can type WP for novice /logo to create the logo. This is the menu which is coming from appearance menus from your WordPress dashboard. So if I visit this page, you will see that the left menu, which is the menu that we selected, and here is the all the item inside it. This is the published page on the ready website. So let's say if you want to add this page, you can use tick this and hit the add to menu button. It will be automatically added, and you can also remove by clicking on the remove link and hit the save menu button. So this will update the menus in your front end. Okay, so this is how you can edit the menus here, and this is the mobile menu, which is looking like this because it will be not visible in the desktop view, but if you switch to tablet, then this menu will be displayed like this, and if you switch to mobile, then it will be shown like this. So by default it will not display in the desktop mode, but if you want to edit the menu item or add or remove any item, you can go to appearance and menu section, and this menu is also used as a main menu for the regular header. So this is the two use case of this this menu. Okay, and another element we have is this is the right menu, and this is the book now button. For book now button, you can link it to an external booking engine like this one I created here, where you will be able to manage all your booking and take payment using Stripe and PayPal. I will add the booking engine link in the video description so you can test it out, as they offer free trial without any credit card. After setting up the booking engine and logging to your dashboard, you will find this booking engine option, and from here you need to click on the install menu, and here select the booking and contact page, and they will give you a link to the booking engine, which I have currently here. So all you need to do is just copy it and paste it in the header template in the booking under booking button. So once you have the link, make sure to update this. So this way you can update the booking engine URL for this button. Okay, the same thing you can do with this button as well, where if you choose to use this header on your site. Once you are done with editing the header template, you can select the main container where all of our elements is added, and reset it. Okay, and then publish it. Okay, now we will go ahead and edit our hero section of our home page. So let's open the editor and edit our hero section. Let's start with changing the background slideshow. To change the background slideshow, let's select the section which contain this background slideshow. The name of the section is hero. So once you have this selected, go to style tab, and from there you can see that we have two images selected. If you don't want to use this slideshow, then you can just hit the delete button and use a single image, like you can use single image or a single color. So I will keep using the slideshow, and I will add an additional image for the slideshow. To do this, I will first delete the previous ones and then hit the plus icon. Okay, let's keep two images for now. So that's how you can update in the background image, and for the text, just click on the text, and you can update the text easily from here. And this is the booking form. It just by default when someone submitted form, it will go to your website dashboard made from entries. So under this this page here, it will list all the entries submitted through this form, so you can contact the person and manually book the booking request. However, if you want the user to redirect to the booking engine that you are gonna use, then you can edit this form go to the forum setting, and from here if you want to get confirmation email once someone submit a forum, you can use enable this option actually in your notification mail to admin option to get notification whenever someone submit a fail submit the forum. Here whatever email address you will use it, and the notification will be sent to that email address. And for the redirection to the booking engine, you need to add the redirection link here. So the link that you added here in the book now button, you can also link it here, add it here. So whenever someone submit the forum, they will be redirected to this link. Okay, and if you want to if you don't want to save the entries here, then you can disable this option. Okay, and make sure to hit the update and close button once you done with the changes. Now let's move to the review section. In this section you can display the rating of your hotel in various hotel booking and travel website. Just click on each element to edit the value and text. And to change the background image of this image, this block, hit this icon and go to style tab. From there you can see this image, you can delete it and then hit the plus button and choose the image from the media library. And you can link this check availability button also to your booking engine, so that anyone can check if your hotel rooms is available or not. And these are the other values you can change as you like I will put 4.9 maybe. Cool, so you can adjust accordingly. Now let's move to the about section. So about section is pretty simple. You can just click on the each element to change its tags. Here in this block you will find all the text under content tab, and for the background image you can hit this icon and from there go to style tab, and here you can change this background image. And this is and if you want to change this leaf image from the main background, then you need to click here and from here go to the style tab and update the image. Okay, and for this image at the bottom you need to go to background overlay while this selected, and from here you will find the option to remove this or add a new image here instead of this flower vector. Okay, now for the rooms and facilities I will cover it later. Once I finish this other block, then I will come back to this two section. So this section is pretty easy to use. Just select each element and you will have the option to modify the tags. And if you want to delete a block, just right click on it and hit the delete button. And if you like to add a new block, a new service block, then all you need to do is just copy the existing one. Let's create another block to show you how to do it. I will hover over this icon and right click on it and then select duplicate. Okay, so you can see this duplicated a new and added some new blocks. Now the next part is the blog and news section. It's a dynamic section and you don't need to change much here anything, but if you want to change the number of posts to display here, you can do it you can hit 2 to display to post. Okay, and if you adjust the value, you can edit, it will display accordingly. So let's try add a post in our site, and you will see that it will automatically add it to this block. Yeah, here. So let's publish a blog post. So let's give a title to our test post, and set a image. Sorry, you have to click the set featured image option, and we'll also add some text, dummy text. Okay, and hit the publish button. So now we have a blog post published on our site, and if we refresh the page, and we'll see that the post that we just published is now live here. And if a user click on the read more button, they can read the full details of the post. Okay, so now let's move to the Instagram section. This section can be used to display the latest post from your Instagram account. To change the images to that will be connected with your own account, you need to go to your website dashboard, and from here go to NBA social feed, and you will find that my account is connected here. All you need to do is delete it, and then we will hit the create new feed button and connect it with your account. So let's hit the create a new feed button, and from here we can select the view. So right now I have this view selected, so this view is probably colored wave, yeah, and then we'll click next button. Then we have the layout preview, that's fine. Now this is the account that I already have connected, so I will hit the connect button, connect more in Instagram button, and select personal. So if you are using personal, make sure to hit personal, and if you are using business, then make sure to hit this button. Let's try it with personal. So I'll just give the permission to allow. So okay, now my account is connected, and this is the feed. So I'll just hit the save button. So once you have this connected, hit the save button, and what it will do is, like, it will automatically update the images in your whole site. So you, wherever the Instagram section is applied, and the image will be updated there. Right, so now let's come to the offer section. We have two offer block right now. This section can be used for showing the current offer, and by the way, if you don't want a certain section, then you can simply hit this cross icon to remove it, this one. If you want to remove a block and only keep one offer, for example, you have currently only one offer going on, and then all you need to do is select this section, and it will take you to here in the offers container. From there, if you expand the container using the navigator, you will find single offer option. Like there is a two single offer right now, each one contain this each block. So if you hover over any block and hit the right button of your mouse and delete it, it will delete that block. Okay, however, if you want to add a extra offer block, all you need to do is just duplicate the current one. Let me show you how to do this. So let's add another offer. To do this, I will duplicate the whole container, okay, and remove this one. For example, this remove this. Let's remove this single offer. Yeah, and to and change its Y width to 50%. Where is the width option? Wait on. Yeah, I'll change the width to maybe 50% or something. Okay, so you can see you can also want you can also add additional option if you additional block if you would like to do so. So that's all from the offer section, and now I'll hit the publish button if I satisfied with the changes. Now let's come to the rooms and suite options. This section is user an overview of the rooms, and we can link this button to our rooms overview page. Like this is our rooms overview. I'll right click and copy link address, and I will add the link here. Okay, so whenever someone click on the view all room, they will get the all room overview page, and each of this block we need to create a single room page, and by using the simple room template, and then link to that newly created page. Let me show you an example. Let's for this balcony room, let's create a single page for that room. To do this, I'll go to WordPress dashboard. From here, let's go to pages, add new pages. Let's give it a title balcony room, and for the parent let's select the main rooms page for the parent. Okay, so I'll now publish. So now if we view this page, you can see that there is nothing here, but what it does is like at the permalink you can see the room suite. So room suite is our parent page, so and then the single page. So this is good for SEO and for better usability. So if I type room suite, it will take me to the rooms overview page. Okay, you can see that we are in the rooms overview page now. So for the new page, after publishing it, let's now edit it with Elementor. So now we are in the new page that we just created for the single room. Once the editor is loaded, hit the this folder icon, and from there choose my templates and look for the room single. Here it is, room single. If you cannot find it, you can use the search option for the room single. Here room single. So once you find it, hit the insert button and click apply button. So this will use the single room details template that we have pre-built and applied on this page. Now we are waiting to get this template downloaded. So now that template is applied, all you need to do is now go through each element and update the tags. Okay, this is the gallery. If you want to change the gallery, just hit the edit icon and update the gallery images. And for this you can do the same that we did with this forum. You can either redirect the user to the booking engine, or you can also keep their submission in your WordPress dashboard under entries and then manually call them to book it. Make sure to hit the edit form button and update it accordingly, just like how I edited this. So if you skip at this part, make sure to watch the previous part of this video. And yeah, so that's all. Now let's publish it. Cool, let's preview. Yeah, so this is our balcony room now, and this is the link of our balcony room, and I'll now copy it. And if this link is confusing for you, then what you could do is like go to your WordPress dashboard, from their pages, and here look for the balcony room. Here it is. So I'll now hit the right click on the view text and hit the copy links button, sorry, link, and this will copy the URL of this new page, and we'll now paste it here. To paste it, select the single card from this container, single card, and here paste it under additional option. So now whenever someone clicks to this image, they will be redirected to the balcony room. And if you want to change this image, just select the single card option from the navigator and go to style tab, and you can see the images which you can update here. So this way you can update all this block and add the necessary rooms that you have, and also delete some part that you don't need, and make sure to hit the publish button once updated. And the facilities section is quite same as the room section. We have to create a single page and then use the same facility template to apply the facility, and then link it to here. For example, let's say wellness and spa. Okay, so let's create a wellness and spa single page. To do this, a new page, give it a title, give it a title, and now the parent will be the facility page. So we'll type as facilities and hit the publish button. Now let's hit the edit with Elementor button and insert our pre-built template to this single page. Okay, now hit the folder icon and go to my template, and you will find all the template of this ready website have. From here, look for the facility single and hit insert button. So while it get inserted, by the way, if you don't want any pages in your site, you can delete it. To delete it, go to your WordPress dashboard and pages. From here you can delete any pages that you don't want. Just hit the trash button. However, in future, if you do need them, you can recreate it just like I created this template, and because all the page template that we use it in this site is available under my template. So in the future, whenever you need any page template, you can just insert any of this template after creating a new page. So even if you delete it from here, the template will be still remain in this my template box, so in case you need in the future. So okay, cool. Now I inserted the single facility template, and here you can click on the each element to update it. We also have a gallery option. Okay, so cool. Now let's publish it. Okay, let's view the page now. Cool. So now I'll copy the URL of the page and then go to our home section and hit the explore more link, and here I will paste the newly created page. Okay, and hit the publish button. So now if I go ahead and refresh the home page and click on this, you will see this, it will redirect to the newly created page. So just like how I created this a single facility, you can, if you have more facilities in your hotel or restaurant, you can add those here using the same template. All you need to do is just replace the tags, and maybe you can add your spa menu or appointment link, whatever you like, in this button. And for the discover more button, what we can do is like we can link it to the main facility overview page. So I'll link it. Okay, yeah, so let's publish it. Cool. Now our homepage is covered. Tried to explain everything, but still, if you got confused in somewhere, feel free to leave a comment. I will try my best to assist you. So let's edit our footer template. This is our footer template, and here we will learn how to connect the sign up form with Mailchimp and update the other tags. So let's edit the footer footer template. So we'll begin with the sign up form and then move to this block wherever necessary. So let's edit our sign up form. To do this, click the edit forum button, go to forum setting, then you can disable this store entries option because we don't need it, and then go to integration and enable Mailchimp. So you can see there is no list currently because we didn't connected the Mailchimp yet. So let's click on this link and connect our Mailchimp account. Those who don't know Mailchimp is email marketing software. If you don't have any account, go to mailchimp.com and create account, and you can use this link to get the API key. So once you are in the name Mailchimp dashboard, hit the search bar and look for API keys. So here it is. Let's click on it. So I already have a API key created. I will create a new key and give it a name, then hit the generate key button and copy the key to clipboard. Then I will go to my website and paste the API key and hit save changes button. Now go back to our website and hit the reload button icon, and the list will be loaded now. So that means it's now connected with our Mailchimp account. And if the list is not coming for you, search for Mailchimp list ID or Mailchimp list create, and you will find a guide from where you can create your Mailchimp list. Then you can go back and connect it with your forum. So now let's save changes and update and close button. All right, so our forum is now connected with Mailchimp, and I will test it now after hitting the publish button. Let's enter a email address. Hit subscribe button. Okay, so here is the confirmation. If you want to change this confirmation tags, then go to your forum setting, and from the forum setting go to general and edit this success message. Once done, hit the save button. Okay, and now I'll go ahead and check if the email that I just sign up it is added in the Mailchimp list or not. So let's see, reload our Mailchimp dashboard contracts and to confirm it. All right, so you can see that the domain email address is now added, and it's added through our test API, that the API we created. For this, explore links, you can link those to your page, various pages of your site, and just go to the link field and type the page that you want to link, and it will populate here. Same you can do the other links, and here you can add your social profiles URL. So I'm not going through those, I hope you can do it. And for the other content, it's all same as before. Just hit click on any text that you want to edit or image, and you will have the option in the left to edit it. Now we will move to other inner pages and edit those pages. So let's start with the rooms page. So let's hover over the edit with Elementor and open it in a new tab. So I have already opened the page. So in this page, if you want to change this green background color, so you just need to select the hero block and go to style tab, and from there you can update the color, as well as there is a background image, but it's not showing because it's transparent. But if I change the color to, let's say, green, then not green, actually we have to put something darker, so then this image will be visible. So you see the pattern is gone. So there is a pattern with the background color. So if you want to remove those, you can do it from here. And this is the title of the page. If you want to add anything, you can add here or edit the existing title. And for the other elements such as this, you can just select it, and the option will be available for you to edit those information. Okay, and this is the overview of all the rooms. So if you want to edit any rooms block, then for the image, click on the image and change the rooms image, and change the title, price. All you need to do, just hit the element and the option will be appear. And for the button, we can link it to the single room page. So we already created balcony room earlier. So what I'll do now, go to the link field and type that search that room. So the page title was a balcony room that we created previously. So I will search for that page here, balcony. Yeah, it's already showed up here. So I'll select it, and it will automatically link it to that that page. And for the book now button, you can link it to your booking engine. So whenever someone click on it, they will go to the booking engine. So here you can put the booking engine link. Okay, so that's how you can link all other rooms. Yeah, if you want to add an extra room, then all you have to do is like open the navigator, and from there, yeah, open the navigator, and you can see that there is multiple single rooms. So each represent each single room. So all you need to do is just hover over it and hit the duplicate after right clicking. So then and the room will be duplicated. And don't worry about this white space, it will be automatically fixed once you refresh the page. Okay, so that's how you can do it. Or you can, if we want, you can also remove a block. Just right click on it and hit the delete, then it will be removed. Okay, and so in Instagram we already showed you how to do it, how to set up in Instagram. It will be automatically populated here, but if the layout is broken, then make sure the feed is selected to test feed. Not test feed, actually the feed name that you given when setting up the Instagram feed after connecting your API. So if the layout is broken, make sure the feed is selected from this this left panel, then it will be fixed. Okay, once all done, let's hit the publish button. Now we will edit our restaurants overview page. So here all the restaurant that our resort have is listed. So you can see we currently have 3, but if you want to have more, you can add, or you can also remove any restaurant that you don't want. And another section we have is like area where you can display your each restaurant menus. So when someone click on this button, they will see the menus. Maybe you can upload a PDF file or something and then link it to those button. Okay, so let's visit our restaurant page. So it's pretty straightforward. Whatever you learned so far is also the same here. All you need to do, just click on it and edit those content. And for the image, you can just need to hit this icon, and from there go to style tab. Sorry, it's actually coming from another location. Let me check. Yeah, under single resto there is a container. This first container contain the image. Okay, so you need to update the image from here. Okay, then if you don't want any block, any restaurant block, all you need to do is delete the single resto by right clicking it and hit the delete button. Okay, so you see one is gone. If I want to add another, I'll just duplicate the existing one, you see, but the layout is the image is right. If you want to move it to left, go to layout and from there select this option. Okay, this option will move the image to the left. Now dining experience. This block are actually for displaying your restaurant menus and with price. So oh yeah, I'll come to this section later. Another thing is now you have the restaurant overview page, and here you can link to your single restaurant. When someone click to this learn more button, they will go to the page where more details available for this restaurant. So to do this, we have a single restaurant template. We will use the template and create a single restaurant page for this restaurant, for example. So let's go ahead and create a page. I'll go to our dashboard. From there, pages, a new page, add the single restaurant title, select the parent to restaurant, hit publish button. Okay, our page is now publisher. Now let's edit with Elementor. Hit the edit with Elementor button. Click on this folder. This will open our template library. Go to my template tab. If for reason this template is not showing up here, hit the reload button. Hit the refresh button. Actually, this will sync the library. Okay. So we'll look for the restaurant single template. Here it is. So restaurant single, will hit insert. Cool. So our restaurant template single template is now added. Okay, so now I'll change the content. So if you want to change this image, just click on it and you will have the option to change it. So these are basic tags, and here you can redirect to any booking engine, or maybe delete this button as you wish, or you can redirect it to the contact forum as well. And this is the menu option, menu button. You can display and the menu here as well. So let's see how we can connect our menu with this button. For this, we will go to media library from WordPress dashboard. Then we will upload a PDF file or whatever. You can also upload a image file, and then link it to that button. So I will now drag a PDF file here, which let's assume in the is the menu of our restaurant, and wait until it get uploaded. Once the PDF file is uploaded, click on it, and you will get an option to copy URL to clipboard. So here is this button, and this link will be copied. Now go to your single restaurant page and hit this button and paste it in the link field. So now this button is linked to the, let's assume, to our menu. Okay, and these are the other information. You can delete any block if you want to, or even you can edit it. And this is the food gallery where you can add some images. So to do this, you can see those images. You can delete those, and then or hit the pencil icon, and you will have option to add to gallery option to add more images to the gallery. Okay, and the next is, yeah, this block is also available in restaurant overview page, as well as your single page, like single restaurant page. So this thing is same. You can change the image from going to the style tab here, update the tags, and for menu you can link it to the PDF file or an image file that you just uploaded via media file, so that user can see it by clicking on it, the button. So let's say hit the save button or publish button and view the page. So yeah, so that's okay, all looks good. Now if I hit this button or this button, it will redirect me to the PDF file that I uploaded here. Okay, so now where people can see the menu by clicking on this button. Anyways, so now we have the page that the single restaurant page. This way you can create all the single restaurant page for your site. So I will now copy the link of this page and go to our restaurant edit page, restaurant overview page, sorry, and link it to this button. Okay, and hit publish. And that's the same way you can link to all other block after creating a single restaurant page for each. And this is I already showed you this same block used in the single restaurant page. So I hope you can update it now. Now let's edit the facilities page. So the block that facility page have is quite same. So yeah, in this page the Instagram feed is also broken. It's because the change of the name due to the API change we did during the first part of the video. Anyway, so here it is the same thing. You all have to do, create a single facility page and then link it to this button, and the rest of the thing is same. So what I'll do show you now is, like, we already created a facility page, you remember, while editing the home page. So what I could do is like link it to this page, since that page was also ISPA page. So here I created a page, so I'll link it to that. Same way you can create other pages, like I created this page while editing home page, and link those single facility page to your this blocks. If you don't have any like if you don't have any gym, so you can remove this block. Okay, so let's edit our activities page now. So in activities page we also have 4 block with an Instagram section. So here for each activities we need to create a single activity page with our existing template. For example, let's create a single activity page for water sport. To do this, I can also add a new page from here, new page, and then open it in a link tab. This way we can quickly add a new page to our site. So now I'll give it a title and select the parent to activities. Okay, and hit the publish button. Now I'll edit this page with Elementor. Now I'll hit this folder icon and open our template library. From here I will select restaurant single and hit insert. Sorry, not restaurant single, it should be single activity. Yeah, this one. I think it's the wrong spelling, but yeah, this is the right one. Okay, insert it. Yeah, cool. So now I will update the text of our single activity page. Here you can change the image and edit those blocks if you want to add more content to this page, and you can link this button to the activity page of overview page, activity overview page. So now that the single page is created, let's view the page. So here it is our single activity page. Now what I will do is copy this page URL and then edit the main overview page of activities and update the link so that user will be redirected to that page to learn more about this activity that your hotel or resort offering. Now let's move to the about page. This is our about page, and I think you can edit all the content because we covered everything so far and you should be familiar with how to edit the content. I will still go to how to update this map because it's something new. So let's see how we can edit the map. So this is our map section in the about page. To edit it, click on this map. Sorry, you have to click on the pencil icon, then you will have the option to add the address. So here you can add the address of your your hotel or resort location and adjust the zoom and height as well according to your needs. And here you can see a message. So if you see a overlay in the top of a map where it asking for a Google API key, so make sure you follow this link and add the API key in the Google Maps embed API key tab. Here you should add your API key and you can get the API key from this link. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's move to another page, which is offer page. So here in this page you can display all of your current offers that currently going on in your hotel or resort. So currently we have 3 blocks. I'll show you how to edit, add or remove a new offer. And the rest of the thing is pretty straightforward. You need to just link to your booking engine and update the pricing for your offer and adjust those details. Okay, so let's edit the offer page. So we have 3 offers right now. Let's say if I don't want this offer, I will use our navigator and delete one of the single offer. Okay, if I want to add another offer, all I need to do is just duplicate it. You see, And to move this, for example, I want to move this in the middle of this to offer, I can just drag it up and it will be moved to the top. Okay, so that's pretty much for the offer page. All you just need to update the details. And now let's move to contact page. By the way, I will update the menus soon after covering all the pages. So this is our contact page. Now let's edit the contact page. Oh, I forgot to publish. Okay, so the offer page is now closed. Okay, so I'm waiting for the contact page to load the editor. So this is our contact page. Here you can add more information or update those information. We also have a map in the contact page, so you can update those information that match with your business. Just click on it and the option will be available in the left. And for the contact forum, we need to update the destination where when someone submit the form, where it will go. So for this you need to go to forum setting. So I'm waiting for the page to load. Yeah, it's now loaded. So go to forum setting. From there go to notification and enable this option, notification to admin. Here you can add any subject and add your email address here. So whenever someone submit a form, it will send to your email inbox. And you can also enable the store entries option, so that whenever someone submit a form, it will go under your dashboard made from entries. So it will go there if you have this option enabled, this one. Okay, so it will go up there, so you can come back to your website dashboard and check this on a daily basis. Cool. So now let's move to another page, which is blog page. So this is our blog archive. Now the blog archive is a dynamic page and you don't need to edit here much. However, if you still want to edit the style, then you can do so. But this is dynamic page. Whenever you publish a new blog post or news, using this button, it will automatically added here. So if you want to change the title or those things, you can do it. And this thing are dynamic. Whenever you publish a post, it will automatically update this page. So to edit this page, when after coming to this page, here you will have the option like blog archive. So this is the page we are using here, and you can also access it under royal add-ons, theme builder, and here it is like archive. So here is our blog archive. You can also edit it from here. Okay, you can see this is the our blog archive page, and you can adjust the settings here. And to edit the page title, you have to go to the edit page option from here and then modify the title text. Here I will remove the blog title, okay, and hit the save. So this will change this text to only blog. See, and under this there is a single blog post, which means when someone click on a particular post, for example this, they will redirect to this page where they will see the more details about your blog post or news. So you can also adjust it, and this template name is single post. You can find it under single, yeah, single post. So both have this right sidebar, and the single post template also have a right sidebar. You see, here it is. So if you want any to remove any block from here, you can remove it. Okay, now we have what we have. Let's visit the page. So now we have 404 page. So 404 page is also available under theme builder single. So this page is whenever someone uh, look for something in your site but that doesn't exist, then this page will be displayed. So there is nothing to configure for this page. It will automatically populate. All you just need to make sure it's enabled. So by default our ready website have it enabled, so there is nothing you can do here. But if you still want to add more additional text on this page, more image or maybe modify this text, then you can edit this page by clicking on this edit template option. Okay, and lastly we have fact page like frequency asked question. So let's see how we can edit it. To do this, I'll open the editor. So here you can display all your common question related to your business. So to change any text, just click on it and you will have the option to toggle and update the text. Here is the question, here is the answer. So this way you can edit those blocks. Alright, so we already covered all the pages, how to edit those. Now let's learn how to change these menus to our updated pages. To do this, and I will also do some cleanup now, because there is some pages that you will not need after publishing the site, because such as restaurant single. This is a dummy page because you already created a page. So right now this is a dummy page. So we will link to our original single page here now, and we'll also remove some pages that we don't need anymore. However, if you still want to access those page template for future use, you will find it under template library. So to open a template library when editing any page with Elementor, just hit this button. Okay, so yeah, now let's update the menus. Go to appearance, menus, and from there this is our left menu, which means this menu is used here, this menu. So now we don't need this page anymore. Single room details, we have a single room now. Let's click on the view all. So under rooms we have a balcony room we just created recently. We'll add it. After adding it, we'll drag it to put it under the rooms. Okay, for restaurant we don't need this dummy restaurant page. We have a restaurant page now. Tamarind Terrace, add to menu and add it under restaurant. For facility we also don't need it. We will add facilities from the menu. Single wellness spa, add to menu. Okay, and for the activities we also have an activity now like water sport. Let's add it. Okay, and save the menu. Now we will toggle to another menu like the right menu. So the right menu is this one. Okay, so here there is some drop down we don't need, such as we don't need to show the single blog post here. It's for our dummy purpose. Whenever someone go to a blog or read a news, they will automatically go to this single blog post template. So we don't need this. We also don't need to show the 404 page. So we can update this. Like let's move the blog under pages and then remove this. Remove the single blog, and 40 also don't need it. Okay, so that's how we can create. And for the pages we can give it any other name. such as more, save menu. Okay, done. Now let's refresh our page and you will see the changes. So if you add more pages, you can just add those under the menus and it will be displayed, for example, under restaurant facilities. So that's how you can link update your menus. Okay, I also have to delete the headers from the left menu. Yeah, okay, cool. So we all good now, and if you have more pages that you want to link, you can use the footer as well. Okay, so we are almost done, and the last thing you should do before publishing the site is delete the pages that came with when you imported the site, such as this page single activity, we don't need it, so test the page. Also we don't need the single facility page because we have our own facility page now. Same, delete all the pages that you don't need or didn't use it, and clean up the site. Okay, I have another video. I'll be editing this video skin in this skin where you will learn some best practices to do before launching a website. So make sure you watch that. And another thing is, before publishing the site, go to your site setting, general, reading, and make sure this box is unchecked and hit the save changes button, because if this box is checked, then your new site will be not indexed by Google. As a result, it will not show up in the Google search result. So make sure to uncheck this once you are done with all the steps. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till the end. If you still got stuck at any point, feel free to leave a comment on the video. I'll try to reach out soon. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.